Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create user subscription system using Laravel Cashier. So let's get started with an example and step by step. So let me go here and you can see that I already downloaded fresh Laravel application and created a virtual host for it. Okay, and let me go to the code. You can see over here and I also configured the database. So let me go here and you can see over here. Okay, so now first of all what I will do, I will install Laravel Breeze. So let me go here in starter kits and scroll down, and there is a command to install the Laravel Breeze. So copy this and go here. Yeah, now it's installing Laravel Breeze. So let's wait a moment. Okay, now you can see, let me go here and there is a command to install Laravel Breeze. So let me go here and paste it. Okay, and we are choose blade with Alpine. So hit enter and we will also support dark mode. Enter and paste. Okay, so it will installing the Laravel Breeze. Okay, so let's wait a moment. Yeah, it's also installing the npm dependencies, so like it's doing all in one command. So let's wait a moment. Yeah, now you can see over here there is a migrate, there is a install, and there is a run, so that all command is running in one. Okay, so let's wait a moment. Yeah, it's done. Now let me go and refresh it. So let me go here and refresh it. You can see that there is a login and register. Click on it. I can register over here. So I will say Hardik Savani and I will say test@gmail.com. Password, let me add it. Click on register. Okay, so now you can see that there is a dashboard over here and login in, and let me go to the database and let me refresh it. You can see that there is a one record created into the database over here. You can see over here. Okay, yeah, that's it. So now what I need to do next, I will add one more tab over here, one more page that's called pricing, and where we are giving the options to choose the plan. Okay, over there like starter and company and enterprise, and user must need and must subscribe one at least one plan. Okay, so let me go here and we are using Tailwind. So let me go to the Google and I will say like Tailwind CSS pricing plan. So I'm going here. Okay, and there is a one design, so I'm going to take from this website. Okay, so yeah, this is perfect and simple. So what I will do, yeah, show code, and first of all what I need to do, simply copy these colors. Okay, and then I will go to the code and Tailwind configuration, and there is a under font family, I will put this, save it, and next HTML code I will copy this. Okay, and let me create one route for it first. Okay, so I will say PHP artisan Mac controller, and I will create pricing controller. Okay, and now let me go here, and first of all what I will do, go to the route web, and here I am going to create one get route. Okay, so I will say pricing. Okay, and here I will say pricing controller. Okay, and then that will be a pricing method. Okay, and here I will say pricing, save it. Okay, and now let me go here inside my pricing controller. Let me go here and go to dashboard and pricing. Okay, and then let me create one function over here. Okay, that's called pricing. Okay, and then I will say return view and I will create pricing, save it. Okay, here into the resource views, and here I'm going to create new file, that's called new file. Okay, and pricing dot blade dot php. Okay, I'm going to copy this dashboard. Okay, copy this, paste it over here, and here just I'm saying pricing, save it. Okay, and now let me go to the layouts, and there is a navigation, so I will copy this. Okay, and add that link to the navbar. Okay, so here I'm going to say pricing. and same thing I will say pricing, and here also I'm going to say pricing. Save it. Okay, now let me go here and refresh it. You can see that there is a pricing option in my navigation bar. Click on it. You can see that there is a pricing over here. Okay, now what I need to do, copy this HTML code. So what I will do, copy this. Okay, and then go to the pricing blade file and let me remove this entire thing. Okay, paste it, save it. Okay, and then if I go and refresh, you can see that there is a three things like package, but it's designed not what we are looking over here. Okay, so I already added over here in my configuration tailwind colors. Save it, and now let me run it again. Npm run build command. Okay, so it will again build the CSS. And now let me go here and refresh. Now you can see that much more clear. You can see that starter plan was $29 and company plan 99, enterprise 499. Okay, so this is perfectly fine. Next, we need to configure Cashier. So let me go here into the Cashier documentation. You can see that there is an official document of Laravel. So let me go down. Okay, and there is some few steps so that we need to follow to configure the Cashier. Okay, so let me go here, and you can see that there is a composer command. So copy this. Okay, and then let me go here and paste it and hit enter. So then it will install Laravel Cashier in our project. Okay, so let's wait a moment. Yes, it's installed. And now let me go here. Next step, we need to configure like a migration. We need to publish it. So copy this and I will say publish, and you can see that there is a migration created. So let me go over editor and go to the database and like migration. You can see that there is a several migration created over here. You can see that for the users, they are adding Stripe ID, and automatically these three migrations created: subscriptions table, and here is the subscription items table. Okay, so now let me go here and they say run the migration. Copy this and run migration. So now let me go here my table plus and refresh it. You can see that there is a subscription table, subscription items. Okay, that's created over here, and inside users they also created columns over here, the Stripe ID. Okay, now let me go here and scroll down. So first of all, so we can publish the configuration file. So copy this, and yeah, you can see that. Now let me go here into the coding. Okay, and editor, and let me go to the config folder, and then you can see that Cashier. So here is the configuration where it's taking Stripe key, Stripe subs like secret and all the things. So you can change it manually if you want. Okay, but right now we keep as it is. So now let me go here, scroll down. Okay, and then first of all we need to use this billable trait in our users model. So let me go here, models and user. So first of all I will use that one over here, that's called billable. Copy this and edit over here, save it. Okay, and now next what we need to do, so this is for use default, so it's default using by default users, so we will just keep it. And the next we need to add our API keys in Stripe key, secret key and webhook secret. So copy this. Okay, and then go to the env file. So let me go here and env file, here's, yeah, paste it. And first of all I need to get Stripe key and secret. Okay, so let me go here in my Stripe developer account, and that's I've already created Laravel Stripe dev, and you can see over here. So I will say copy this key. Okay, and then I will just paste it over here, save it. Then I will copy the secret, and then I will say paste it. Okay, and now you can see that they are also asking for webhook secret. So that means we are developing in our local environment, so we need to set up the webhook, so that way it's automatically, once our user will subscribe, then automatically call the webhook and store in our database. So we just need to configure the webhooks. So let me go here, and first of all let me go to the Cashier. Okay, and here is, let me go down. Okay, and Cashier webhook handling. So let me go here, and you can see that there is already here the given Over here the documentation you need to read carefully. So you can see that there we need to required Stripe webhook URL, and that will be create Stripe webhook customer.subscription.created customer.subscription.updated. Okay, so you can see over here there is already PHP cashier webhook. Okay, so what we need to do first, you need to go to the Stripe CLI. So you can see I already open over here, okay, that link. Okay, so yeah, Stripe CLI, and there is a few steps to install the Stripe CLI in your system. Okay, so let me go here and let me show you that one. Maybe there is an installation step so you can easily install. You can see over here, first you need to install Stripe in your, if you are using the Linux, then you can follow this step. If you can also follow this step. So okay, so you can install Stripe in local, so that way that you can check in your local. Okay, if you are directly use on production, then you don't have to worry about these things. Okay, but if you are, if you want to test in local, then you have to do this. Okay, so you can see over here now in my system there is already installed Stripe. So let me go here and open new tab and paste it, Stripe login, and click on it. Okay, you can see that they also saying like this is the pairing code for verification, so you need to go here. So copy this and copy. Okay, and now let me go here and paste it. Okay, now you can see that it's redirect me on one URL, and you can see that you need to verify two-factor authentication code. So let me do it from my phone. 70048. Okay, yeah, now you can see that it is asking for permission. So you can see that Laravel Stripe dev, and I will allow to access. Okay, so now you can see that I already granted. Okay, and now let me go here, and you can see that this is the key will expire after 90 days, and which is point will re-authenticate. So it allows us for 90 days to test from the local, okay, using this key. Okay, so now let me go here, and first of all I need to do, let me scroll down, and then you can see that Stripe listen the forward. So that means Stripe, once Stripe webhook will call, then it will forward to this port. Okay, so copy this, but our URL is different. So what I need to do, go here and I will copy this. Okay, and paste it over here. Okay, this is our URL, and go to the documentation, scroll down, Stripe webhook, this is our path. So go and paste, copy this command. Okay, and now let me go here and paste it over here and click on it. You can see that it's checking for getting ready. Okay, and then you can see that we are also getting the webhook signing secret. Okay, so copy this secret. Okay, and now let me go to the env and paste it over here, save it. Okay, now what we need to do, again I will go to the, yeah, documentation, and here you can see that simple, I need to run this command to automatically create webhook in our Stripe account. Okay, so copy this and go here and in my root project directory and click enter. You can see that Stripe webhook was created successfully. Retrieve the webhook secret in your Stripe dashboard. So let me go here and go to, yeah, developer, click on the developers, and you can see that, and if I go to the webhooks, you can see that they automatically created webhook, Stripe webhook, and it is active. And you can see that we already listen the port over here, so that says listening, so both status are correct over here. So that's perfect. And if I go here, and you can see that configuration of that. Okay, and let me go and update detail, for example, then you can see that it's automatically selected customer.subscription created, updated, deleted. So automatically Cashier will manage all the webhooks in entire Laravel application, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, yeah. Next we will create products. Okay, so first of all what I will do, I will create one plans table in our application. So let's go here and I will create PHP artisan Mac migration, and I will say create plans table. Okay, and now let me go here, and I already created one migration over here. So let me go migration, and here I will say string, and that's a name. okay, and string I will say stripe plan id, okay, and then I will say stripe price id. Okay, so both id I'm going to add it, save it. Okay, and now let me create run the migration. Okay, so I will say php artisan migrate. Okay, now our table is run. Okay, table is created over here, so refresh it, you can see that plan table over here. Now what I will do, go here into the Laravel application, there is a starter plan, company plan, and enterprise plan. Okay, so same plan I will create using the seeder. So what I will do over here, I will create first model, so php artisan mac model plan. Okay, and then let me go here into the model. So let me go plan model, and here let me define public, sorry, protected, and then I will say fillable, and here I'm going to add a name. Okay, and then I will say stripe underscore plan underscore id, that's what column we define over here. And then I will say stripe underscore, okay, let me go here and copy this price id. Okay, so I can enter that. Okay, and semicolon at the end. Okay, save it. Okay, now let me create one seeder. So I will say php artisan mac seeder plan seeder. Okay, and then let me go here into the seeder, you can see that plan seeder, and let me create plans for me, plans, and then I will add the name. Okay, and first will be the name, I will copy the starter. Okay, this is the starter, and then I will copy first plan id. Okay, and plan id key, yeah, here we are going to add the value, same thing, I will copy this price id. So copy the price id, and here we are going to put stripe price id. Okay, so let me go here into the stripe. So let me go, not this, let me go here, yeah, webhook. So let me go to the product catalog and create product. Okay, and here I'm going to say starter. Okay, and then recurring amount, and amount will be $29 what we have in starter, so I'm not going to change that one. 90. Okay, off, everything is fine, add. Okay, now you can see that if I click on it, you can see that this is the product id. So copy this, and I'm going to add this plan id. Okay, and here I'm going to copy this price id. Okay, so copy price id, so here I'm going to add price. Okay, so now same thing I need to do plan for company. Okay, so go here and go back to the product catalog, create product, and I will say company, and there is the $99, and this is recurring, and click on add. Okay, and click on it, I will get this product. Okay, product id, change it over here, and then I will copy this price id, paste it, same thing I will do for enterprise, copy this. Okay, and then let me create another product. Okay, in my stripe account, so price, and there is a 499. Okay, and go here and add. Okay, yes, enterprise is created, and let me go here and copy again product, and then I will again copy price id. Okay, now our array is ready, and now what I will do, I will for each for the plan, and then I will use plan model, and then I will say create plan. Okay, so that means these three predefined plan we are going to create, save it, and let me run this seeder. So let me go here, php artisan tp seed and plan seeder, and now you can see that seeding database. Let me go here in my table plus, refresh, you can see that there is a 3 plan created over here. Okay, so our plan is set up over here in stripe account. Next, let me go here, and you can see that there is a starter, company, enterprise plan set up properly, and if I click on getting started, it should be redirect to the checkout. So what I need to do first, let me go here and create one controller. So I will say php artisan mac controller, and I will say checkout. controller. Okay, now one controller is created, and same thing, let me go here and I will create one route over here. So let me go, and here I will say, yeah, and checkout slash, okay, and here I'm going to add name, okay, and then checkout controller, and there is a checkout method, okay, and then I've also given the name checkout, save it, okay, and this route I'm going to use in my pricing blade file. So let me go here, and there is already pricing blade file over here, and there is a first, let me go scroll down, scroll up, for example, yeah, this is for starter. So let me go here, and there is a href, I'm going to add route checkout, and then here I'm going to pass starter, that what we have a plan name. So copy this, save it, okay, and now let me go here and refresh it. You can see that there is a checkout slash starter, same thing for the company and enterprise. So let me go here and copy this route, scroll down, and yeah, let me add it company over here. So copy this, save it, okay, and same thing I will copy again this route, scroll down, and there is a, here I'm going to add enterprise, copy this, save it, okay. Now you can see, and if I refresh it, you can see that properly, okay. Now let me go here and go to my controller, that's called checkout controller, yeah, and then here I'm going to add a function, okay, and let's go public function, sorry, let me remove this one, public function, and that's called checkout function, okay, and here I'm going to return the name, okay, and then for what I will do, first I will get plan from the name, so I will say plan, okay, and then plan model, and then where name equal to dollar name and first, okay, and then dd plan, okay, save it, okay, and now let me go refresh it and click on that. You can see that I can get proper the plan details. So let me go here, you can see that stripe price id, stripe plan id, okay. Now let me go to the documentation and scroll down over here, okay, that this part is already done, this is cashier currency, and that's not important for now, like you can do it what if you required. Let me scroll down, this is for product, okay, and scroll down and check out, okay, let me scroll down, yeah, this is for selling subscription. So what I will do, I will copy this, okay, and here I am going to paste it, okay, and here I will say one more variable, that plan price, okay, and I will get the plan price from plan, okay, that already object display over here, price id. So copy this, and here I am going to add, sorry, column name, yeah, and remove this one, okay, save it, and then you can see that request user, this is default, and this is the price that I'm going to pass in the second argument, okay, and then I'm not going to give any trial version, but I will allow promotional code, okay, save it, and here I need to add routes. So for success, I'm going to create one checkout success, so I will say checkout dot success, save it, and let me create one route over here, so d checkout success, okay, and then let me go here and I will say success, and then dot success, save it, okay, and then let me go here into my checkout controller and let me create one more function over here, okay, and then here return view success, checkout success, okay, save it, and this is the success, okay, save it. So that means I need to create one more view over here, so let me create one blade file over here, checkout success dot blad dot php. Save it. Okay, copy again the dashboard, and then I will say success simple page. I'm not going to do too many things, so here I'm going to simple say like you have purchased, you have subscribed successfully. Okay, save it. Okay, so that means you have subscribed successfully. Save it. Okay, and then let me go here, and yeah, for the cancel I'm not going to do anything, just I will give the URL. Okay, so let me go to the blad dashboard, so I will, if anything wrong, then it redirect to the dashboard. Save it. Okay, and then now let me go here, go back, refresh, and now first I will select starter, so click on getting started. You can see that request variable is undefined, so let me go and copy this, save it. Okay, and yeah, refresh it. You can see that it's redirect me on Stripe checkout, so let's wait a moment. Yeah, you can see that subscribe to startup and all the things, pay link, Amazon link, and all the things. Okay, and now I will choose card. Okay, and I have already 4242 card. Okay, so that's testing Stripe 25 123. Okay, and then I will just add my name, Hardik. Okay, and then click on subscribe. Okay, let's wait a moment. Okay, to getting the payment. Once payment done, you can see that it's redirect to the checkout success and you have subscribed successfully. Now you can see that this is the perfect. Okay, and now let me go here into my first, go here and go to the customer, and you can see that Hardik, if I go here, and you can see that there is already subscription created over here 29. Okay, and now let me go here into my okay, uh, yeah, table plus, and go to the subscription. Yeah, it should be run. If I go here, yeah, it's why it's not. So let me go here, and yeah, it's already post webhook, and then let me go here. Yeah, here is nothing. So for example, if I go here, test, and there was a problem with the Stripe webhook, so let me register one more user, another user, and let's check it. Okay, so there is already some, I tested it before that, so let me go here and let me register new user. Okay, register, and then I will say test user test1 at the gmail.com 789 789. Click on register, and now let me go here to the pricing page and click on starter. Okay, and now let me go here and I will choose card. Okay, and here I will say 424242. Okay, and then I will say Hardik. Okay, and click on subscribe. Okay, now let's wait a moment. Okay, now you can see that successfully. Let me go here and refresh it. You can see that we got one more subscription, and you can see that default and active. Okay, you can see over here, and if I go to the subscription item, you can see that if I bigger, then you can see that this is subscription ID and this is subscription. Okay, go here, default, and quantity is 1, user ID is 2 over here. Okay, and go to the users, there is a 2 user, there is a test user. Okay, so our plan is added properly. Now let me go here and how we can check with the documentation. Let me go to the documentation again. Okay, and now let me go. You can see that if their user is subscribed, then you can copy this. Okay, and let me close this one. Okay, go to the dashboard. Here I will be paste it, save it. Okay, and now let me go to the dashboard, click on dashboard, and user is undefined. So what I will do, auth user, save it, and now refresh it. You can see that you are subscribed, so that's also perfectly fine with the Stripe documentation method. Same thing I will check with the product, copy this, and same thing you can check for all the product, but I already have a one product. So, and also I check with the product. I store product into the database. So let me go here and go to the catalog, and there is a starter, and this is the product ID. Okay, so let me go here and paste it, save it, and this is starter. Okay, save it. Now let me go here and I will say, yeah, go to the project. Where is, yeah, refresh it, and yeah, user again undefined. So let me go here and auth, and then I will say user, save it, refresh it. Now you can see that you are subscribed to our starter product. Okay, so now this is fine. You can also check it. And one more thing I want to show you, let me log out this. Okay, and then let me go to the register, and I will say test user 2. Okay, and then I will say test2 at the rate gmail.com. 234567891 2346789. Click on register. You can see that I can access the dashboard. Even I have one pricing page. So what I can do, so let me go here to the documentation, and we can create our own middleware. So copy this. Okay, and I will say PHP artisan Mac middleware and subscribed. Okay, let me go here and copy these conditions, and yeah, let me go to the middleware, and here subscribed. Okay, and then paste it. So that means if user is subscribed, then if not subscribed, then it will redirect to the pricing page. Save it. Okay, and then let me define this on our bootstrap.app.php. So here let me register that middleware. So middleware alias, and okay, here I'm going to say copy this, subscribe, and then let me use that one, colon class. Okay, and then let me use the namespace as well. So copy this namespace, yeah, save it. Okay, and this middleware I'm going to use in my route, dashboard route. So let me go here, and here I'm going to add that, save it. Okay, and now let me go here and I will refresh it now. Okay, yeah, you can see that it's redirect me on pricing page. Okay, even if I go to the dashboard, it always redirect on pricing page. So let me also change over here pricing, scroll up, save it. Yeah, now much better. Okay, so you can understand how easily we can define our on like we can use Laravel Cashier. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. See you on the next video, guys.